Welcome back to the Fire Grind. My name is Daniel, and in this channel we talk about personal finance. And typically I use Wealthsimple Trade for stock market investing, so I figured I'll make a series on the how-tos of Wealthsimple Trade. And if you haven't signed up for Wealthsimple Trade yet, there's a link down below in the description, and if you sign up today and you trade $100 worth of stocks, you'll get $10 for free added to your portfolio. This used to be $5 and now it's $10, so take it if you want to, otherwise continue watching the video. In today's video, we'll talk about how to obtain your tax documents from the Wealthsimple Trade platform, such that when tax season comes around, you'll be ready. So we're here on my Wealthsimple portfolio, and I'm going to show you how to get your tax documents from the main page. So if you click on the top left corner with the person head, you can go to the section where it says Accounts. So once you click on that, you can click on the different accounts. From here, you can see there's a bunch of documents. You have your account documents, monthly statements, and tax documents. So if you're filing taxes, you want to click on the tax documents, and you can see that there's different forms here. You can click on those forms depending on which ones you need for that year and file your taxes. So that's essentially how you get your tax documents from Wealthsimple Trade. And one more thing to note here on this page is that you can click on the Start My 2019 Returns or whatever year you're filing taxes in, and they actually link with Simple Tax. I've actually never done this before, but if you're looking for an easy way to file your own taxes with Wealthsimple Trade, definitely recommend checking that out and trying it out yourself. If you enjoyed this video, smash that thumbs up button, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And hit that subscribe and notification bell if you want to keep up to date with my YouTube journey, as well as I reveal all my positions in my Wealthsimple portfolio. I'm doing a series called Invest With Me, so this is where I talk about my portfolio, the moves that I'm making, and the stocks that I'm interested in. So subscribe if you're interested in that. Keep up the grind and have a great day.